Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies! Are you tired of serums that promise a lot but don't deliver? Today, we're diving into a product that's changing the way women fight fine lines and wrinkles, the True Botanicals Chebula Active Serum. Packed with all-natural, dermatologist-tested ingredients, this vegan serum is designed to optimize your skin's collagen levels and keep your complexion radiant, youthful, and glowing. Stay tuned. You'll want to see why so many women are switching to this powerhouse serum. True Botanicals Chebula Active Serum. Elevate your daily skincare routine with the True Botanicals Chebula Active Serum, a powerhouse anti-aging formula designed to optimize your skin's collagen levels while delivering intense hydration. This dermatologist-tested, all-natural, and vegan serum is suitable for all skin types, providing a holistic approach to youthful, radiant skin. Combining the potent antioxidant properties of chebula with the moisturizing benefits of hyaluronic acid, this serum is engineered to visibly reduce the 5 most common signs of aging while leaving your skin feeling smooth, firm, and revitalized. Description: Chebula is renowned for its powerful antioxidant benefits and its ability to combat visible signs of aging. This luxurious serum targets 5 key concerns: the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, rough texture, loss of firmness, and dullness. By addressing these signs, Chebula helps restore skin's natural radiance, giving your complexion a firmer, brighter, and more youthful look. The formula is further enhanced with hyaluronic acid, providing a burst of hydration that locks in moisture, plumping the skin and enhancing elasticity. The combination ensures that your skin not only looks rejuvenated but feels nourished, soft, and revitalized after every use. Benefits: reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Chebula's antioxidant properties help smooth and soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a visibly younger complexion. Even skin tone, uneven pigmentation, and age spots are minimized, revealing a more balanced and luminous skin tone. Smooths roughness. Rough, dry, or textured skin is transformed into a soft, supple surface that feels smooth to the touch. Firms and strengthens skin. Chebula enhances skin elasticity, helping to support the skin barrier and maintain firmness over time. Radiance and glow. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this serum provides long-lasting hydration, leaving the skin radiant, refreshed, and glowing. Suggested use: for optimal results, apply 1/2 to 1 dropperful of Chebula Active Serum to freshly cleanse skin in the morning and evening. Smooth evenly over the face, neck, and décolleté, allowing the serum to absorb fully before applying your favorite moisturizer or pure radiance oil. For an extra boost of anti-aging power, estheticians recommend adding 1 to 2 shakes of the vitamin C booster to your serum for a potent skincare cocktail that enhances radiance, supports collagen production, and helps fight environmental stressors. Why choose True Botanicals Chebula Active Serum? This serum is formulated with only the highest quality, natural ingredients. Dermatologist-tested and suitable for all skin types, it's free from harsh chemicals, parabens, and artificial additives, making it perfect for sensitive and combination skin alike. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula ensures it layers beautifully under other skincare products without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for both morning and evening routines. With consistent use, the Chebula Active Serum becomes a vital part of your anti-aging regimen, visibly improving skin texture, firmness, and radiance. Whether you're addressing early signs of aging or seeking to maintain a youthful complexion, this serum delivers the performance and nourishment your skin deserves. Experience the transformational power of True Botanicals Chebula Active Serum, a natural, vegan, dermatologist-tested solution that hydrates, protects, and restores your skin for a brighter, firmer, and more radiant appearance. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.